The first step is to neutralize acid from the electroforming bath. To do that, you can soak your item in a water and baking soda solution for a few seconds. This step is not mandatory, but it is best to do it. If you skip this step, your piece will have some blue spots on it once it's dry. Rinse your item with tap water. If you electroformed crystals, you can now remove the sealant you covered them with to protect them in the bath. In the next step, I'm going to add patina on my item. To do that, I use liver of sulfur. It gives an antique look to my creations. Add 1 or 2 drops of gel. Mix until your water becomes yellow. Make sure you wear a mask for this step, because liver of sulfur smells like rotten eggs. Wrap your creation around a piece of wire and submerge your item in your solution. After a few seconds, you should already notice that your item is becoming darker. I usually leave my jewelry in the solution until it becomes dark brown. When your item is dark enough, you can take it out of the solution. Remove the copper wire and pat it dry with a paper towel. This is what it should look like. To bring out the highlights of the patina, you need to polish your item. I use a steel wool pad to do that. This is very important that you wear a mask for this step, because the steel wool pad makes a lot of small particles that you don't want to inhale. When you're done, your item should be nice and shiny. This is what my piece looks like after polishing. I also made this new piece today. Now I'm going to seal both of these items with Renaissance wax. This wax will prevent my copper from oxidizing and can be easily applied with a soft cloth. My jewelry is now sealed. Copper tarnishes over time. For this reason, I keep my copper jewelry in a Ziplock bag. It protects my items from moisture and air. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video.